Watch BM Samuel Badwam TV Badwam Jumadie no so yeda Apostle Dr. Ni Tekote Gwase eni nkwanshen sem de du so no ye Badwam kase nsem no ne tojo omubia obetini na eye Upper East region osofo ayapa no foforo eni ebehwese de na de hye agina baba ebra okọ ho no de no ebebro na fe Brashabejafo na ya yatwe won asensen no so honsem yede baba no nsem bi na no pay yede browse Adom TV Badwam kase wo shine live on Facebook /Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwa adomonline.com ensem we ede bebre so egu ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne de mientie se de nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie Oswo fofofro ya pa ono so onkohwe Upper East mantam no emu Donatus Akambugiri Atanga na wakoho amanade hye agege na baba ma beto dwase penino ekro no wo tusika gu wiemu saa ehonsem Adom TV kase etwaso
Upper East Regional Minister ekodu ni krom no manfoi ebo no gogongo yoyoyo Any regional minister na land you no manfui any ajepa enya asem ketwa papa yi e de futue e ma manfui se omunya botre pa wa abrabo a wo mo ebomu sene de ye omo de an wo mo nsa etimi aka osan e de tudwa se obeye dwumaden sene o manfo e wo Upper East ebetimi nya airport ene empuntudwuma ahodo bi e wo
for my post also lobbying for what can come. And I can assure you that I have had some discussions with some business taboos, and then they are ready to participate in the airport project. They are ready to participate in the Parliamentary project. And I can assure you that that will be a reality. That can be a reality. Because I've already spoken to people and I know that they are ready. I have seen the documentation, the proposals. And I'm quite sure that those things will come on board very soon. Honorable, mind you, if we have the airport, which will be an open, the airport can provide direct employment, it can provide indirect employment, then it can be a connector of the region, all other regions and the whole world. So if we have the airport in a place, the region can prepare. So for that matter, the airport will even help in making sure that we actualize the objective of constructing the Montecos Dam. Because when they come, when you are flying experts to come, they find it easier to fly if we have the airport. So it will make it easier. So we will try as much as possible to ensure that the Upper East region, within the 4 years mandate of MPC, will see a facelift. So that the people will appreciate that actually it's good that they vote for NDC.
Ekokuma won rashabeje fie mo se na no da won mu nuan emiensa ya wo mo ka nipa na ya twe won sensen no wo de wonu di nsema kwa akoto won mo party mpanifu anim na fe so won mo de enkrata ekwa akoba speaker e wo sa adwempo na wafa no se woni won anyadwen.
A committee must be set to look into this. On this occasion, Mr. Speaker was dealing with a disorderly conduct which took place at the committee level, where the chairman of the committee had a mandate to deal with the matters. He now says that he has, on his own, suspended these members without hearing them. The chair of the committee did not communicate anything to the speaker.
Penny Kasayimu no wasan so de atuja say one more dom kumana fano. Esan say emrashebedwafo nan ya watwe wono mo asensen wo kuchire ho nsem akwakodan mrashebedwamuchi amehini nti enenam so a woto won safre mpanyinfo a wadan pipi amanyuku na no se wo metai wono mo achi.
We have also taken the matter up. We have escalated the matter to our party level. MPP Minority Caucus is a wing of the MPP in Parliament. So we have also communicated this matter to party headquarters, the national chairman, the general secretary, and the national executives, have become aware of this and they take the matter seriously. They are not taking it lightly at all. They believe that the diplomatic channels must remain open.
Ekokuma ya womrashe bejafie muguso ya wonmo kasa wasena anu fiada committee ya wonmo etna vete no eswo no wamamre mu no enimo ifise ne ya wada de bechi ne fiada de course woni ntino na wasento to yenyina wie de nso wie kira de chenye na je se committee foforo te ho a wo mudi won djuma ene ekokuma hunu ne se enye ne kwanso no
As we concerned, that was an illegality. They defied Mr. Speaker, even though Mr. Speaker said we should stop proceedings and reconstitute the committee. So it's illegal. It's a nullity. It's odious. We cannot be part of it, and we'll make our position known on the House floor. To court the last time because all doors for engagement were shut. On this occasion, the doors of engagement have not been shut yet. We are going to engage Mr. Speaker. We want to give reverence to his high office. We want to engage him. He's a Democrat. We believe that with his years of experience, minority leader, majority leader, second deputy, and now Speaker, we are going to engage him. And I'm sure with the posture of the majority leader ready for us to meet with him, I pray that we're able to do everything so that tomorrow will be a happy day for all of us.
And to Adom TV, Badwam Kasiano, so a senior for Kumasi Technical Institute, a KTI and Kumasi Anglican Senior High School, KASS, was Santamanto Monso, a day Abwe Niasa Senior Padebi, Kasiano, Ediba.
KTI for a hard KTI for hard. Me friend, me hunesa, sentence, oh, back KTI and on sentence. They are not sad and a course of KTI. Day students, no, a dozen, who are more than Bribia. Sentence, they are day students. But there's no and also. Until now, say they look one of those no one on 3 Bribia or shot idea KTI, they do who are the overcome. And I'm saying, a semi part moon tea. I'm not all kind.
Reverend Father Kenneth Collins Ewusu Checheni Kumasi Anglican Senior High School.
Yeah, cross between no man say Yakon Stadium. Maybe they want to protect us. They don't feel so much more than saying they want to protect us. Maybe I'm not you will be seriously because maybe I'm more no mean to me yet. And I cadet me will be a crash because they are on the circle to baby come or so baby looking at there. And when they are stopped, there was our processes in Mubia. Then almost try to bet so they have some seniority or some strength that on media overpower. Yes, seriously, because yeah, what did you know?
No school carpenter or school muho KTI for to Boabru demo any Adom Cassia Boncomo.
Also, ultimately, we catch KTI for last year. When we are Sadia man, when the form you know headed you know community woman, your boss will give much waha, still. And Kosiaka. I'm attack your bambi tuno. In fact, Namuan crack me to a papa.
My entwa so na woniema would be a nekokoso yen senior high school mu na nanwa da Accra Academy die ukra no ama beye dadwene ene someone dodo won weka na we no ye national coordinator the Magana National Education Campaign Coalition Benis Emprejeche and watch mu se wose yetenase so man na yenhwe senior high school no niema bi e koso a eni ho kwan se koso
eye won say yen school mu akodu sampempen so nti nsema na ye bisa ne se nti na che se ye de ye ba eko school a ye ni arehye mu se school ni betumi ahwe mofra ne so mo mako asan bedu fie asomdwe so ana nti eye ade ana ayem hihye kese pa se ye hwe ye amamre ne yamane a ye de tete ye ma wo fie se ebibifo na enka ebeye hu se abofra saa no betumi afase kan dade na odi abo ne nyonko saa na ye bisa se eden na ne nyonko no waye no ana se den titiru nti na eba ne timu mpo se onfa dade emfa mbo ni nua saa nti na ye hwa e wo se abofra ne so kodu school mu a e wo se teacher ni no e wo tumi bi e wo abofra no so because onu na okọ kire na de na watene na akire no e na de kire ne adesua no enye buku mu de ne nko aye kire ne se bia ye say ana 2+2 eye 4 no enye no nko akwala ne suban ha odi be pie fi school mu so eye ade a e wo se teachers ne mo kwa no mo ye nwo adwuma teachers no authority over emofra ne emra omo sha omas omo e wo teachers ne nsem kopim time on besan aba efie biom nti ya ma teachers ne tumi a omo betumi de atete mofra no ewo adesua de kire ne omo suban kwan so a ebedu baby no anhwa ne yenu ye ho se oman na chese ye school no enye safe. The environment in the schools are not safe again for our children eba ne sanso a ebeye hu
adehye ya womo ete manso watre so wa Mansia South wa Santemantemu ensono gujem na ne nyina ne akronfo a etu anite esikuro no so tata adehye a emu ba ko ne Adom kase ede nkomoye
hade watre so hade ye ha nyina ne se approach from omomla ha meboa ye ne si ade ye wa ho kire ha approach fo bia mpaturo ma ha tinipa no fa ade a yen atimemfo no ye nkina nkopɛ nipa kora ayira wode wade esi ho abeba na obi afa wode chese yentimi nka ho asem wobekɔ ne abobali ade abema bi moto nke ye wona seka yakunu na no emema ya de etido ma na ekwaji moto ni de bae
small scale man for so e wa ha ya omo so ye dwumadin kakra akoye adwuma kakra wanya to botom no eno so koduru kwa so a na mroba fu ya san be attack wo kwa no maji usika nyina no mde ko eno pa ho a ewiremu adwuma ye ne kwa mutime toa wo wirem ho no mde tiu ni asekan abegina wo so na ebe kwa mutime kum ne pa ne bi kwa no maji usika no mde ko entizania wo chan de kono de wa papa
ebra Adom kase eduru krom ho ene Mr Daniel Frimpon wadodo na fe no boga ebo nkomo na oche se empedudo na anie na akromfo ya ba no so abiwie na japade dodo na odi nsem ru nyina tu ani ma ebra na omo akere abrantie bia wonya mfinhia du no ba ko o kire se oba akro no bo ewo mpotem ho
e wate su krom hade mo haye papa boy na bambo no do maye dinwo imantem ha maye si amika se kurana si police station ha sei kase police phone ebebam di mbanfo etie ne dia yesro omma boy omma police phone na na se mbeblim kurampo no police phone nyama ha nkomma patrol teams ntambia patrol teams enye awai patrols wo ahamaye na ye papa
Banya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe ye de siase dan ye wodia omre no wada ja wode maye wadaroma ye de bon krata no ne online de ne to so nti twen ye nche na ye famro